Do you want to get paid hundreds of dollars just using Google Maps? You came to the right place. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are showing you how to make easy money using Google Maps. Anyone can do it. And I mean, anyone. Make sure to watch the entire video, as we will tell you all you need to know, in great detail. And if you're a business owner, how to promote your own business to attract more customers, resulting in more sales. So, let's get started. Right after this. Now, the first thing you want to do is search up a place around where you live, or anywhere in the world you can think of. For this strategy, we will use Vegas as an example. And we want to think of a business type next. Let's say we write fast food. So Vegas fast food. Let's see what we find. These is what Google Maps found. Pay attention to the first two businesses compared to all the others. Now let's sort them by rating so it shows the 4.5 rated places only. And scroll down. This one looks interesting. Let's click on it. Port of subs, counter-served sandwiches, house-baked bread. It looks good. Now normally doing this, I would go into greater detail about the business or franchise. Do some research. But we are using this only as an example. And I know how you guys hate people making a 15-minute video out of 5 minutes of content, so let's stick to the point. As you probably noticed earlier, the fast food place we picked was at the bottom of the page when we did our search. Meaning whoever looks up fast food Vegas or Vegas fast food probably never sees them. And that is what you can change for them. Remember those first two places? Some of you might have noticed they had ads, and that is exactly what our method is going to be about. What do ads have to do with you, and how do you earn money from them? Hundreds, even thousands, by these businesses? It's very simple, and like I told you before, anyone can do it. What you want to do is open up a new tab. Type in Google AdWords and set up an account. It is completely free. All you need to sign up with is your email address. On the screen, we are in one of my Google Ads campaigns. We will come back here in a minute. Let's go back to Google and look up Vegas fast food one more time. You can see for yourself. The place we are interested in promoting is nowhere on the first page. Change the star rating to 4.5 and scroll down to the bottom. There it is. Can you imagine how many more customers they can potentially have each month if they were third on the first page? Trust me, it's a lot. And remember, only 2 fast food places in all of Vegas are running ads as of today. So, you want to promote port of subs. Since only 2 fast food places in Vegas have ads, it should be very easy. And these ads bring customers. That is why businesses are using them more and more. Here is what you want to do. You go to your Google AdWords. I'll show you everything on the screen as I explain. Go to campaigns. Press the blue plus button and then new campaign. You're going to set up an ad for port of subs, which should result in them being on the first page. I suggest setting up an ad for brand awareness and reach, but feel free to pick whichever you think will work best. You set it up to display, so it shows as an ad across the web. Put in the link to the site you want to promote, and continue. Set up the ad so that it is shown in the area where the business you are promoting is located. In this case, Vegas. And set it to target people in the targeted location, for the best effect. Facebook. For budget, you will want to talk to the owner, and see how much are they willing to pay you. Or start with a small budget, to offer them a free trial, and increase it after you show them it works. Set the ads to target conversion, and fill in the keywords. Many as you can think of, relating to what you're promoting. Write in the headlines. For example, Vegas fast food, port of subs, Vegas subs and Vegas fast food subs. Put the link to the business's website in the display path and add a description. Or you can just copy it from the website. Again, you can set it up different if you think it will work better. Now, you just press save and continue. And there it is. Your ad is up and working. You are promoting the business, resulting in them being on the first page for the targeted audience. It's that simple. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it helps you earn some money online. If you did and want to see more, leave a like and hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you have any questions or suggestions for our next video, leave a comment below or contact us on one of our social media pages. Thanks for watching. Until next time.